Hello YouTube! Andito tayo ngayon sa New Star and this is at the sea view. Ang daming mga boats dito guys. There. Music there is not allowed here because it is YouTube. There, this is their swimming pool at the 4th floor. After our breakfast, we're going down there. Mag-bathing ho kami guys. Para ma-experience naman ang mga pools dito. Even minutes lang ho. Ito. And that's the part area there is not yet finished. Maybe gawin yung yung mga yachts ba diyan maka-park or basta it's better kung magiging maliguan din ang dagat diyan. Ang daming tao na. Ang mga tao diyan. So if we're going that's going to El Corso na diyan unahan. So you can walk there from here going to El Corso. Daming mga workers diyan, no? Oh. That's for another project for this place here at Newtown. This one is Philly Hotel. This is also owned by Gukong Way, and also this is a 5-star hotel, and also they have to construct another there, or it was already constructed, and then it will be a 6-star hotel. Sabi ng yung nagmanage doon sa Silong down there. So this is a 5-star hotel here, Philly. Dami mga boats guys. Baka pag gusto mong magpa ng mga may mga ka para i-ship, yun ang available dito. So hindi makikita dito ang bridge. Mauna na siya ang last portion sa Cordoba Dil, no? Only yung last portion going to Cordoba makikita yung the end portion of Seaside guys, yun. But you cannot see here the whole of the Seaside bridge. We are here at the 10th floor. Ang dami mga worker guys. This is an expansion of their place here at New Star. Dami mga workers. Parang expansion yan sa expansion sa swimming pool dito para ma-enjoy naman ang mga guests dito sa dagat. There. Kanang usa murag swimming pool gyapon tingali na lagi. Swimming pool, that's there. Still constructing. That one is a swimming pool. Wala pang naliligo guys. Punta kami doon after our painit here. Okay guys. Here, your Tita Ely here at Newtown Philly Hotel.